How to delete learned words on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you do that, scroll down and tap on additional settings over here. Then tap on languages and input. And then here you can see the option of manage keyboards. So tap on manage keyboards and here you can just tap on the Gboard. As you do that, you can make the customized corrections or systems over here. So all you have to do is tap on the dictionary option over here. So tap on personal dictionary and here you can select the language of which you would want to delete the words. So tap on it, and right now I don't have any words in the personal dictionary, but you can just make a long press or tap on the word that you want to delete and then make it erase it manually each one by one. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.